Hey, what's going on YouTube? Focused Hands here, and today we're going to be adding doing an upgrade for the lights in the trunk. I've always wanted to do this upgrade as well, and the issue I have is that if you own one of these cars, you only get light, and I have LED lights back here. You only get light on this side, and it's kind of casts a shadow over here. So in this episode, what I'm going to do is use this wire and light that I picked up from my local parts yard, Pick and Pull. Shout out to Pick and Pull. And I'm going to make this work with two lights using a wire stripper, and I may even solder it in so it's there permanently, and some zip ties. So let's hop to it. Stay tuned.
Bye.
So the first thing I'm going to do is remove things from my work area so I can access this area easier. So with Magic, let me do that. Alright, so with the area now clean of debris, to stop me from getting to my work area, what we're going to do is up at the top up here, let me zoom in for you. Up here, this wire, I'm going to take off this clip right here so I can get more access to it, and I will do my little wire strip right here on the cable, and then just run that across and probably solder it in. Once I know that it works, I'll solder it in and zip tie will be done. I'm gonna get on up here and just stick that in there and pry this off just like that, and it's now out of the way. And as far as this side, let me back it up. I am going to position this cable over here and then run it to make sure that I have enough room. So let's throw it in here just like that, and then we'll put this cable. We'll run this cable over here. So I think I have enough cable to make this work. The very first thing I need to do is to peel back on this electrical tape. And for each one, we'll take our wire stripper, plug it in the hole here, strip it back like that. Do the same thing on this side. Second hole there, strip it back. Now you got two wires that are stripped. We'll go over to the other wire, and one, we need to cut away some of the plastic on it. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and then we'll bring you back on. Alright, so I've cut away some of the plastic sheathing that was on this. So now I'm going to just strip these wires a little bit to get access to the copper. That's good. And that's good. Orange and blue, and black and blue, and black and blue. Need to strip these a little more. Get some more of that shielding off. I'll take this in and wire it through. Ooh, scared me. Alright, so I got some electrical tape. I'm going to tape the one side so they don't touch. I definitely don't want it to spark. Take a little bit of electrical tape. Alright, so I got the hole poker, and what I'm going to do is on this, I want to separate the copper out. It's gonna kind of open it up like so. And with that one go down, there we go. So like that, open a hole up like that, and I'm gonna twist these and then send it through. Then I can rotate it together, and it should stay just like that. All right, let me go back and do the other side. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna tape it just like that for now, until I can test it. And then I'm going to, let's see, hook this back in to its housing, like it would be, just like that. I'll stick this back in place up here. All right, so that's going here, and I guess just like that. Not rocket science. This goes and connects in place, just like that. And I will run this one through the back. And around. So now look at that. We have enough room. I should be able to pop this in here, hopefully. Just like that. Maybe pop this one in here like that was meant to go there. And it should fit right over there. And then this one can pop in right here. Voila. That looks like that was meant to be over there. Now I'm going to put this in here to test it, to see if it works. Yep, and it works. See that? Works. Take it off, put it to the side. All right, so let's finish this up. Let me get everything all finished up, and I'll show you, what it looks like now and what it looks like at night. So stay tuned. All right, so I finished the wiring. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. And that's the left side, and that's the right side. So what I did was I added a zip tie to the end over here, because this doesn't have like a cute little area like that one does to fit something in there. I guess I could cut an area out up there, but I'm not gonna do that right now. It is easy enough to use zip ties that I did right there. And then there's a couple of spots with there where it bolts in at the top. So yeah, now we're gonna cut the lights on and see what it looks like. Let's see. Look at that. You now have light over there and light over there. Check back at night and I'll show you what it looks like at night. So stay tuned. All right, YouTube, it took forever to be nighttime, so I'm going to open the trunk here and give you a look-see. Bruh, what a fail. There we go. So this is what it looks like. And obviously once I have a bright light like that over there, you will get that nice effect. But it's pretty well lit in here. That light is pretty bright. This is just a light I had just for now, you know, just to let you see that it works. But there you have it. Well, with that being said, why don't you go and leave me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for some pretty cool stuff coming up in the summer. I like it when it gets hot here in Texas. It gets to, you know, you really get to moving. So yeah, I got some pretty cool stuff coming up, and you know, stick around and we can get our focuses looking like this. You know? Anyway.